for aesthetic genital surgery in Istanbul in Turkey. I have to say that from the very start to where I am now, which is about to leave with my lovely certificate, the course has been incredibly well organised, very well structured.
This course was very, very important, very, very impressive.
I'm very happy I attend this course because it's given me all the tips and the tricks that I need in my work.
I found that the ECAM course are very well organized and very informative.
And then the second day was full of very, very useful, practical, hands-on tips.
And I have never seen any course during my whole career where I watched this many number of cases during the surgery.
And I feel that although I thought I knew most of what was out there, I actually learned quite a bit, which is likely to advance my practice and enhance the quality of care that I offer to my patients.
And good fun along the way. Hard work, long days, but I felt that I met great friends and colleagues, mentors who I can ask in the future for advice, that I've gained enough practical experience from the live operating to give me the confidence to go back and start out my own practice.
And Dr. Süleyman Eserdağ has been very patient with us, very helpful.
I therefore strongly recommend this course to gynecologists because, of course, whether we like it or not, the demand for aesthetic procedures within gynecology is increasing, and courses such as this one are important so that people practice on the basis of training and experience.
My friends ask about what is the next course and we want to attend.
Really recommend it if you're looking for learning more and adding more to your practice as a plastic surgeon, to do more genital aesthetic surgery. This is a good course to come to.
I would strongly recommend those doctors who are interested to do gynae surgery to come and learn from ECAM.
So it's really been amazing for me. It's done exactly what I had hoped, and well done ECAM.